When you think about improving indoor air quality, windows may not be the first thing that comes to mind. Yet, for homeowners in Rockford, proper window installation plays a surprisingly important role in creating a healthier home environment. From reducing drafts and moisture to improving ventilation and blocking outdoor pollutants, professionally installed windows can help you breathe easier while enhancing comfort and efficiency. How windows affect indoor air quality. Windows act as the barrier between your home and the outdoors, but they also provide opportunities for ventilation. If they're not installed properly, however, they can do more harm than good. Air leaks. Gaps around poorly fitted windows allow outdoor pollutants, dust, and allergens to seep inside. Moisture issues. Leaks during Rockford's rainy seasons can lead to mold growth, which significantly reduces air quality. Drafts and temperature swings. Inconsistent indoor conditions make HVAC systems less effective at circulating clean, filtered air. New, well-installed windows eliminate these problems and help maintain a balanced indoor environment. Reducing drafts and outdoor pollutants. Drafty windows are more than just uncomfortable, they're a major source of indoor air contamination. Dust and pollen infiltration. Poor seals allow allergens to drift into your home. Outdoor pollutants. Exhaust fumes and particulate matter can enter through small cracks, especially in busy Rockford neighborhoods. Professional installation advantage. New windows with advanced sealing technology create a tight barrier against unwanted particles. This means cleaner indoor air and fewer allergy or asthma triggers for your family. Controlling humidity and preventing mold. Humidity plays a big role in indoor air quality, especially in Rockford's climate, where summers are humid and winters bring snow and condensation risks. Old windows often develop seal failures that allow moisture inside. Result: mold and mildew growth around frames, which release spores into the air. New installations. Modern windows are designed with improved seals, insulated glass, and proper flashing to prevent water intrusion. By controlling moisture, professionally installed windows protect your air quality and reduce health risks linked to mold. Improving ventilation. Sometimes the problem isn't too much air sneaking in, it's not enough fresh air flowing when you need it. Older windows may be difficult to open or close, limiting natural ventilation. Modern designs. Casement, awning, or double-hung windows are easier to operate and allow for controlled airflow. Balanced ventilation lets you enjoy fresh air without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Good airflow is essential for flushing out indoor pollutants and keeping your home healthier. Supporting HVAC efficiency. Air quality is closely tied to how well your HVAC system performs. Professionally installed windows reduce strain on heating and cooling systems by eliminating leaks, helping HVAC systems filter and circulate clean air more effectively. Reducing contaminants. Keeping dust and debris outside lowers what your system must filter. Maintaining comfort. Consistent temperatures reduce overuse of fans or filters. This partnership between new windows and your HVAC system results in better air and lower utility bills. Final thoughts. For Rockford homeowners, investing in professional window installation isn't just about energy efficiency or curb appeal, it's about creating a healthier living environment. By sealing out pollutants, controlling humidity, improving ventilation, and supporting HVAC performance, new windows can significantly enhance indoor air quality. If you've noticed drafts, condensation, or increased allergy symptoms in your home, it may be time to consider window replacement. With the right windows and expert installation, you'll enjoy fresher, cleaner air, greater comfort, and peace of mind knowing your Rockford home is healthier inside and out.